Now, the yesterday's topic that where we have left, little bit we will concentrate on that. Penis, skin, the skin of the penis, especially where that foreskin is there over the glans penis. This is the glans penis. This is the what? Foreskin. The foreskin, internal aspect of the foreskin when it is attached to the lowermost portion of the corpus spongiosum, where that expanded umbrella like structure is there below the urethral orifice. This is called as frenulum of penis. Now this frenulum of penis is very much important. On either side of this there are the small fosses where the spug or the semen is collected. Now at the time of circumcision it has to be taken cut. So this is what the thing that what you will be having. So this you have to add it into the top on the penis, especially at the skin. Then you have got the body part of the penis and the remaining part, that is the tip, and the ending of root into the body. That is completely, you can say, hanged, or it is completely suspended by means of fundiform ligament. Now this fundiform ligament is nothing but it is the part of the water that of the anterior lower abdomen, which is there over the lowermost portion of that of the pubic symphysis. By this the penis is completely suspended, or it is supported. Rather, it will be there at the over the anterior median plane, continued part of the linea. So this is the fundiform ligament. Now deep to the that of the fundiform ligament, if this is the linea alba and then this is the fundiform ligament, deep to the fundiform ligament there will be one more ligament will be there. Now that ligament is called as the suspensory ligament of penis. Suspensory ligament of penis. So this is what the thing you have to add into the topic on the penis. Now you have to go to the embryology of penis. The embryology of penis. The penis, it is developing from genital bud, the one which will be giving rise to a genital fold. Now this genital fold gives rise to what? Male pallius. Now this male pallius which is there, it will be going to gives the way for the formation of, or rather it is formed by, it is formed from the that of the venous genital sinuses gives the water that of the male thallus. Male thallus will be start developing at the water that of the third month of internal uterine life. Intrauterine life from the mesodermal origin. Okay? Because this is totally a what it is developing from the what mesoderm, as it is a part of the what genital system. So this is the entire the part of that of the penis that where we had left, as because of the in a hurry. So this is what we have finished now. Now we will go to the what one more important. This important thing is the what yesterday we had done the what talk on the suprarenal suprarenal gland. Now the embryology of this suprarenal gland. Embryology of the suprarenal gland. Now when you take the embryology, so embryology is of a what two forms that it will be having, because it will be having a cortex. It will be having a cortex. So this is the cortex. Now the cortex, definitely we have got the zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis, and this is the medulla. Now coming to the water that of the, you can say, development of the water that of the cortex of the what suprarenal gland. The development of the water that of the suprarenal gland, it is by the water that of the mesodermal origin, while the water that of the medulla is by the ectodermal origin. Now the question, how this you can say medulla will be going to develop from the what ectoderm. The medulla which will be there, it is developing from the ectoderm. It is totally a what, it is by the water sympathetic chromaffin cell mass. This you can say sympathetico-chromaffin cell mass at the level where that suprarenal gland is present. There it will be going to convert into a what? Sympathetic ganglionic mass, which will be going to have a venous sinuses formed by the veins. So this will be the thing what it will be going to get for the development of the water medulla of the water suprarenal gland. Now what is the development of the water that of the cortex? The development of the cortex, it is by the water that of the, you can say, in the second month of intrauterine life. Now this thing, it is developed from proliferation of. The meaning of proliferation, it means the well developed, well multiplied cells will be going to form from the colonic or coelomic mesothelial, mesothelial, the one which will be completely present at the caudal part, at the caudal part or dorsal part of underlying mesothelium which is present. So this is the underlying mesothelial part which is present at the in between part of mesogastrium and mesonephron part. So cortex will be going to develop from that. So it means the cortex which will be having about 3 portion: zona, glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. Now these all will be going to develop the second month of the uterine life. That too by the proliferation of coelomic. Coelomic means it is one column, one tubal-like part of the mesothelium. Now this thing will be there at the dorsal part of underlying mesothelium. Now this part is present in between the mesogastrium and the mesonephron. So this is the development of the that of the suprarenal gland. So with this, the suprarenal gland development, not only the cortex but also the medulla is completely got over. To understand this, you have to remember, for your understanding purpose, suprarenal gland will be going to develop at the second month. Cortex is by the mesodermal origin, while medulla is by the ectodermal origin. So in the ectodermal origin, where the medulla, there are the cells. Now those cells are the cluster of sympathetico-chromaffin cell walls. But whereas this, it is a proliferation of the coelomic mesothelium, the one which is present in between the mesogastrium and the mesonephron, and this will be the it is the cluster or underlying at the caudal part or the posterior part of the mesothelium. So this is what the development of suprarenal gland. In short, you have to. So with this, suprarenal gland is completely ended. Thank you very much.